Introducing EcoFlow Wave 3, the future of smart portable air conditioning with the industry's most powerful cooling. For those who chase outdoor thrills, Wave 3 takes things to the next level, anywhere, anytime. Cool your space by 15 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. An add-on battery even extends runtime for all-night comfort. And if the night gets chilly, Wave 3 heats too. With multiple fast charging options, powering up is effortless. You're always ready to go. Which means the comfort never has to end. Its innovative dual duct system adapts to a wide range of scenarios. Just choose your mode, dehumidify, sleep, automatic, or even pet mode to ensure perfect temps even when you're away. EcoFlow Wave 3 Portable Air Conditioner. Take comfort anywhere.